this wig. Can you see how gorgeous it is? Can you see the colors? Do you? Anyway, the wig is by Freetress Equal, and it is in the style Valentino. Can you tell how excited I am about this wig review? Can y'all tell? I'm loving this. Okay. Before I give it away, you know the drill. Go ahead and watch me install the wig, which shouldn't be too long because, honey, that's how it came. This is how it came. But go ahead and watch me install it anyway. And then at the end, I will tell you whether you should be picking it up. The pros, the cons, everything about this, called my 2, 3, 4 cents of whether you should be picking this wig up. Let's go.
Much out of you, but now I need you to meet me in the middle. Don't wanna make an old mistake, and I'm trying to keep my priorities straight. So don't blow this, baby. It should be simple. Hey, why don't you take it or leave it? Yeah, I might want it. Don't need it. I should run,
Now that you have watched me install the Showstopper Freetress Equal Wig in the style Valentino, let's go ahead and talk about the specs about the wig. The wig has a 5-inch lace part. It has 3 combs, one on this side, one on this side, one in the back. It does come with adjustable straps, and the material is synthetic. But even though it is synthetic, it is heat safe up to 400 degrees. 400 degrees. So don't be saying synthetic wigs don't be giving you the business like a human hair wigs, because baby, tell me why you don't have this wig in your collection yet. Hold on, don't buy it yet. Let's continue. No tangles, no shit, bigot friendly, beginner friendly, and for the low price of $21. Remind me again why you don't have this wig in your collection, sis. Pause the video, get your card, go on the website and get you this wig, because you need this wig. Okay, read my lips, you need this wig in your collection. Okay, color that I have, FF. Color did I get? Hold on, FF cream. So yeah, I think this is gonna be my birthday wig. I think it's gonna be my birthday wig. I think. Well, I say that and then I get another wig and I'm like, maybe this is gonna be my birthday wig. But I really like it. What do you guys think? Does this color go with me? Should I wear it on my birthday? Yes. What should I do? But I know this review was short, but when this wig is everything, honey, everything, you don't even have to cut the lace. The lace is already cut for you. So it gives you everything you want and more. Again, for the low price of, say it with me, $21. Okay. So if you got to the end of the video, you are the real MVP, and I do appreciate you watching my video in its entirety. And if you haven't subscribed, before you leave, on your way out, smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, leave me a like and a comment, and I'll see you in the next week. Bye.